Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to restore the deleted photos and videos in this device. So simply let me show you. So I am going to open my gallery. Now I am going to delete these photos, you can see. So I am going to select these photos. 8 photos I selected. Now I am going to delete this one. Tap on the option delete. Tap on move to recycle bin. Actually, when you delete all the photos from your device, it will saved to recycle bin up to 30 days. Only after the 30 days it will permanently delete from your device. Okay, tap on move to recycle bin. Now tap on the three lines at the bottom right tab. Tap on recycle bin. So here you can see that 8 photos you can see here. Then select these 8 photos, and here after select the photos or videos, at the bottom you can see 2 options, restore and delete. If you want to delete, restore this one, tap on the option restore. You can see it is restoring image restored. Now again go to your album. You can see that 8 photos you can see here. So simply you can easily restore the deleted photos and videos in your device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.